Good morning, everyone. As you all know, we were discussing adulthood and old age in previous video. So let's start. Let's move further in this. In adulthood, social and personality development. An individual's personality remains stable over the year at this stage. Adulthood and old age. At this stage, female development is empty nest, means depression from lack of purpose. Fewer demands like raising children, return to previous career, college, hobbies, raising grandchildren. So these are their female development at this stage. Let's start old age here. Just when old age begins, it is not easy to determine. Traditionally, the age of retirement was linked to old age. Now that people are living longer, age of retiring from work is changing, and the cutoff point for the definition of old age is moving upward. Some of the challenges which are legal have to cope with include retirement, widowhood, illness, or death in the family. So the image of old age changing in certain ways. Now there are people who have crossed 70 years of age, so are quite active, energetic, and creative. They are competent and are therefore valued by society in many walks of life. In particular, we have aged people in politics, literature, business, art, and science. The myth of old age as an incapacitating and therefore frightening phase of life is changing. Expectation of old age also depends on the socio-economic condition, also availability of healthcare, attitude of people, expectation of society, and the available support system. So in old age, many younger individuals regard old age as one step from the grave. And popular media makes jokes about it, use of senior citizen and golden agers to describe, and decremental model of aging means physical and mental decline with old aging. General belief that old agers suffer poor health, live in poverty, frequent victims of crime, sit around and do nothing. And the changes in health: 1% decline in physical strength and senses each year, 25% of individuals over 65 are obese, 40% have one chronic disease, heart disease like hypertension, diabetes, arthritis. So these are some disorders they face, diseases they face at this stage. Changes in health: major cause of death in old age: heart disease, cancer, stroke. General quality of health care of for old agers is poor than general population, means lower socioeconomic class, lack of physician willing to treat long-term chronic condition. These are some problems they face. Then changes in life situation: adult transitions, retirement and widowhood. By age 65, 50% of women and 20% of men lose spouse, their partner, through death. By age 80, 70% of women and 33% of males are alone. Across the generation, widows for every widower. 6 widowers for every widower. Next is adjusting to old age. When individuals are unable to maintain what they value, health, socialization, friends, family, leisure, work activities, self-work and quality of life suffers. So assertive personalities are better able to cope, demand more. Support groups means AARP means American Association of Retired People. This is one name of support group that support old age people. Changing in mental functioning. The fluid changes. Intelligence means ability to solve abstract relational problems decreases. Crystallized intelligence means ability to accumulate knowledge and learning continues. Difficulty in retrieving information from memory. Senile dementia means forgetfulness, memory loss, disorientation, impaired thinking, attention, altered personality, difficulty in relation to others. So these are mental functioning. Next and the last one is death and dying. Social issues, care for dying, cultural issue, legal and medical issues, assisted suicide also. Thanatology means study of death and dying. Dr. Elizabeth Kubler-Ross 5 stages of psychological adjustment they explain, means denial, anger, bargaining, depression, acceptance. These are some stages that Dr. Quever discuss and define. So this is about old age and stages of development we have discussed in this chapter. So today our chapter 4 is completed. Next time we will start next chapter. Thank you.